Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie. Oh my gosh, my battery's dying. I forgot about that. I forgot to charge it last night. Okay, hold on. Where's my thing? Alright, take two. Hey guys, Kalila or Callie here. Kalila here or Callie. How do I say that? I don't know. It usually just rolls off the tongue, but I got interrupted, so now it's like I'm throwing off my game. Today is day 13. Let me make sure, okay? Because these days mold together. Okay, yes, it is day 13 of me knitting on this sweater, okay? We have a good bit done. It has reached my belly button here. So I have 10 more centimeters of the body to do. I have been trying to do 7 centimeters. I got it on day 1. And then yesterday I did 7 centimeters, but I did it from the day before's goal and not yesterday's goal. And so now I need to do some catching up. But I have 10 more centimeters left of the body in total because I'm supposed to have like 28 centimeters and I'm at basically 18 centimeters. So I need to do like 40 rounds of knitting today. But I have broken it up into parts of 20, like 20 and then 20. And then I've broken that up into 5, 5, 5, 5. So each time I make it to 5 rounds, take a little break. Ooh, ooh, cheer, cheer. Do another 5. Take a little break, cheer. Do another 5, you know. So I'm giving myself tiny goals to reach so that I can feel motivated to continue knitting. It is currently 10:20 a.m. I was supposed to start knitting like an hour ago, but I took a lot of time for myself this morning, which I really needed, and I'm glad I did because now I am mentally ready. I'm wearing my Salty Days sweater today. We're going to a yarn shop today, so that should be fun, and I can't wait to show you guys around. But anyway, let's start knitting on this. I think I dropped a stitch because, and it's so far down. Hold on, let me show you. I'm knitting, obviously, and then I was like, there's a gap here. Like, here, there's a gap compared to the other stitches. And then I turned it around and I can see where the stitches dropped and it needs to be picked back up. So I need to ladder down and use, so when I went to why am I stuttering? When I went to a yarn shop for the first time, when I first moved here, where is it? Not this. One of the ladies added in a free gift of this to pick up stitches. I was still a crocheter at the time, but she added in this and I was like, what is this for? And she was like, oh, it's to pick up stitches. And I was like, oh, okay. I didn't understand because I only crocheted and I don't need that because I have a crochet hook. I was like, why do I need a tiny crochet hook? So where is it? It's right here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I just need to tink back 4 stitches and then ladder down however many stitches this is. Let's see, is it this one? Wait, it's weird. Okay, it is this one. Y'all are funny.
You heard that? Sorry.
No, I have to ladder down, so I'm just showing.
Kalila, what did you do?
I dropped a stitch and I didn't pick it back up, but it was, like, the stitch was still there, but I didn't, like...
You're doing too much talking and not enough fixing.
You know, I almost thought
I just laddered
I
down.
dropped a stitch when I was transferring my stitches to my 3mm, and so then I went back, but it was just a long ladder.
Okay, I laddered down all the way down here, so now it's time to pick these stitches back up.
Battle of the Salty Days.
Who wins? Me.
Me.
Katana
Me.
wins.
Me.
I'm busting out these jeans, guys.
No, you're not.
I am. I look like a can of biscuits right now. Seriously, it's.
Pop your button.
I have been.
Oh, shoot. I still missed something. And I gotta go back down again.
Oh, Lord, I can't take this.
No. Okay.
Really?
Damn it.
I did it. I did it. I'll just adjust this, but the hole is gone. I just have to, hold on, let's take this off and actually knit this. Okay. And then I'll just go through and just adjust the stitches around it so that it can even out. And then, boom, perfect. Yeah, so now everything is awesome. Perfect, perfect.
Khalil, I'm sorry.
Perfect, perfect. Awesome.
Perfect.
No more hole. I was like, why is there a hole?
I fear I would not have continued this project.
Did you find it?
No, and I quit.
See? I did not trust myself.
Don't trust yourself. Trust me.
We're all wearing our Salty Days sweater.
Was this day 13 for you?
Yeah.
Hey guys, how does it feel to be in the past, but you're in the
For
future?
real.
You don't even know it, but now you do.
But now you do.
Yeah,
For
by the time
us-
y'all see this, is gonna be Christmas.
No.
No. And yarn shop. Yep. Yeah. I'm recording. Kayla record herself about us going to the yarn shop.
Yes.
Yes.
I feel like I'm in high school.
We're going to the yarn shop. We're probably not gonna get anything. Fingers crossed. But
Get a little sock.
okay, she said maybe we'll get a little signs on. But I don't have any plans to get anything, but it's a yarn shop. So all thoughts about what you previously thought you were or were not going to get, just throw it out your head, okay? It will be thrown out of your head, okay? It's like walking into the Lotus Hotel in Percy Jackson.
Exactly.
Time doesn't exist. Your thoughts
Any day now.
ain't your thoughts, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. And I have my project. I'm gonna knit a little bit here, and we'll see when I get done. Probably not a lot, but I did get 5 rounds done, so that's exciting. I have 5, 10, 15 more before I'm halfway through the project. Or not halfway through the project, halfway through my goal. So let's see what I can do. I'm so tempted.
Oh, well,
So tempted.
Tell me.
Look at this alpaca.
oh
my God, it's huge. I didn't even see it.
How did I not see this?
Well, I saw it, but I didn't realize it was.
What is it, alpaca?
Looks like it's an alpaca. Oh, let me stop touching it. I've never seen a braided skein before.
3-dimensional.
Right? Like, what? This is so cool. What's the brand?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that is so cute.
right?
Oh my gosh.
Well, she said back to the yarn.
I'm back to the yarn. I'm trying to find the brand. This one?
This is the cutest.
There we go.
And I had to go buy new glasses.
Got a bag.
Before I came
It
in.
says,
I went to Bobby this
I
morning,
practice
and then from there I went to
stitchcraft.
Lenny
And it's on both
Crafters,
sides.
and then I came
So
back.
it's gonna be my new project
Because I
bag.
fell, and I
Okay.
broke the-
Hey guys, I'm back home. It's currently 5:57 and I've gotten 11 or 12 rounds done out of 40. I'm gonna get to 20 and we're gonna see how things go, and you know, just monitor things. I'm not gonna say how long I'm gonna stay up. I'm not gonna say anything. We're just gonna see how things go.
Hey, Jimmy John's or Jersey Mike's?
I don't know.
You haven't tried it yet.
No.
Jimmy John's.
So we got Jimmy John's, and I actually have not tried this sandwich before. So it's gonna be interesting. We love Jersey Mike's, so we got a similar kind of sub, and we're gonna see how that tastes. But for now, I'm gonna eat, watch some Vlogmas videos, and then after that work on my sweater. So let's see what we get done. Dude, I have another dropped stitch. I'm ignoring that one. All right, guys, I have gotten 20 rounds down, okay? Which means I am halfway through my goal for today. This is how much I've knitted today, okay? That's a lot. What is that? I need to measure it because I feel accomplished right now. Literally. Let's say I was just doing 25 rounds today like I was doing the past days. I would have been 5 rounds from my goal. And it's only 10 p.m. 10:06 p.m. Okay, so let's measure this. Ding, and see what this is. 6 centimeters flat. Wait, what? Huh? What do you mean? Wait. If this is 6 centimeters, and I'm trying to get to 10 centimeters, I only need 4 centimeters, which means I don't need another 20 rounds. Hold on. Wait a minute. Let's count what 4 centimeters is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I only need 14 more rounds, which means I can just do 15 more rounds because it needs to be a multiple of 5, okay? Like, I can't just do like 13, 14. Like, what do you mean? Okay, well, if I just need 14, okay, let me measure everything and see where I'm at total with this. I'm at 23.5 centimeters. I need 28. So I need 4.5 more centimeters. 4.5. 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I do need 15. Okay. 15 more rounds. So you're telling me I just need 3 rounds of 5? Ooh. Okay. All right. Goal amended. Because, oh my God, I only need 3 more sets of 5. Hot chocolate. Because cozy vibes. We don't want to sleep. No. But maybe the sugar content will help me stay up. It's 11:02. I am starting on my first set of 5 out of 15, aka number 21 out of 35. I do not feel tired, which is great because it's 11 p.m. and usually I feel tired by 10:30. Okay, 10 o'clock, maybe 9:30. So the fact that I'm feeling this good at 11, I'm feeling good about this, okay? And I'm excited. I'm very excited to continue. So let's continue. I don't know if I've said this already, but the reason why I keep finding drop stitches is because when I'm knitting, look at my hair, it's just, anyway, when I'm knitting, I'm realizing I'm picking up the stitch from below on accident when I'm knitting too quickly without paying attention, and I end up undoing the top stitch, and I end up knitting through the stitch below, which ends up being I dropped a stitch without realizing, but I kept on knitting because I knitted through the drop stitch. And yeah. Also, this cord is it's like on its last leg right now. So I bought two swivel cords, these same cords. I got it from Wool & Company. I was like, you know what? Let me just buy some cords so that I can replace these. I'm about to be on my second set. I have one more round after this of the first set. And then my first set of 5 will be done, and then I'll just have 2 more sets. Guys, I'm doing it. I am meeting my goal finally. We're not there yet, but we're getting there. Guys, I didn't update last night or this morning because I went to bed super late, okay? I finished it. So the body before the ribbing is done. Yay! But I went to bed so late, I just crashed and went to sleep because I was just like, I cannot film right now. So let me show you the progress that I had done. Here it is, 10 centimeters. If you love your life, do not do this, okay? Not the pattern, not the pattern. The 10 centimeters of fingering weight in one day on a body of a sweater. Don't do that, okay? Knit the sweater. This sweater is amazing. I am in love. Do you see this? Oh my gosh, I have never seen a more beautiful sweater than this one. Amazing. Anyway, I need to start the body ribbing now, but I'm not going to start it because this video is over. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one looking like this because I'm about to film the intro to the next one. So I would say see you tomorrow, but it's technically today, but you will see the next video tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. Good night. Goodbye.